Okay, so if we look right here to the right side of the screen, we can see that there's a countdown for the actual candle close. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to do the same exact thing on MT5. Now, the first thing you want to do is when you go to MT5, you want to go to MQLF5.com. The reason why you want to do that because this is the official website for MetaTrader 5. Now they have one for MetaTrader 4 as well, but again, it's like this is not for that. You want to focus on MetaTrader 5. So when you go on this website, you're going to create a free account in which you have the ability to do so if you already have MetaTrader 5 downloaded. Once you have that set and you are logged in, you want to click over here where it says type to search. When you do that, you want to type in this right here, candle timer countdown. Now, looking at this right here, the one that you do want to download is this right here, which again, this is the logo. It shows candle timer, MT5, download for free. Now, before you actually do that, it is best to have MT5 open because it just makes it easier for you to download this and then head over to MT5 because it's already open. And then from there, once you open up, you can actually get that situated. Now that we are MT5 and you are logged in, it's going to come up just like this. You're going to see where it says candle timer countdown. Once you see that, you want to double tap on it. And as you do so, it's going to pop up here. When it pops up, it says common inputs, colors, visualization, and so forth. Again, you can do however you feel to do so. As you guys can see on the top right of the screen, it is now showing the candle timer countdown. Again, colors up to you, width, size, everything. It's based off of how you want to go about doing so. Once you have that done, click OK, and you no longer have to go to Tradingview to look at the countdown for the candle close. If you see I'm on a minute time frame, there's 8 seconds to this minute closes. If I click the 15-minute, it shows 4 minutes left. You guys see it on the bottom right, the actual time of me recording this video. 15-minute time frame, you see the hour time frame, and so forth. Right? Again, it just shows how much time is left until this candle closes.